thisischristor.
I've had a bad day. Bad days lead me here. To the scrap wood and to the rusty jigsaw. I know this hopeless feeling will pass. But when the tide is in and you're gasping for air, you've still got to paddle to stay up. I need to build something. I've had this build in mind for a while. I know I use my phone too much. I don't need to check my emails every 3 minutes. I don't need to open Instagram 50 times a day. I know it distracts me and takes attention from the work that I should be doing. I know it makes me unhappy. I think about these things as I'm scrolling, not doing the work that I'm meant to be doing. Clearly, just knowing doesn't hold a lot of weight. Just knowing barely moves the needle. I guess sometimes you just need a shitty plywood box to help bridge the knowing gap. A box for when just knowing isn't enough.